rubber bands, 2 green rubber bands, and a hook. First, take 1 orange rubber band and wrap it around the hook 3 times. Just like that. Then take another orange rubber band and pull the orange rubber band through the orange rubber band like that. Then take another one, wrap it around the hook 3 times. Put one end of the orange rubber band on. Take the last orange rubber band and pull every rubber band through that orange rubber band. Just like that. Pull this one on the hook. And then take 2 green rubber bands. Put it on the hook like that. Then take the 2 orange rubber bands on the green hook. Take the bottom of the green hook on top of the green rubber band and pull. Then take it off the hook and you got an orange